some fennel seeds, rosemary leaves, fry them up a little bit, and then add a small onion, diced roughly, and throw in some diced apple, 1.5 apple, and then I've put a zest of a organic orange and some clementine juice, like half a cup, tiny bit of it, and a few raisins have been thrown in. You can put prunes.
So let that stew on low heat.
No, and now I'm going to add, I've been waiting for you to come. I'm going to add red cabbage, shredded red cabbage. It's only a small sized cabbage I'm using. We don't know what this will turn out to be, Jason.
This is
Okay?
Jamie Oliver's recipe.
It's a mixture of various recipes.
Whatever it is, it doesn't matter.
And
So
now, finally, no, we have to put balsamic vinegar. Okay? And that's it. And then let it cook for 25 minutes. Slowly. And you have to keep stirring it every 5 minutes. That's it. Should turn into a really nice red cabbage. You have to leave the lid open, apparently.
Well, that's it.
Yes.
Okay, well done.